Here we're demonstrating how to change a heater core on a late model Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. In this step, we're going to show the proper service procedure for removing the heater core cover plate. This right here is the heater core cover. Now it has 5 bolts in it, one here, one here, one here, here, and here. We're going to go ahead and take and remove those and slide this cover out of the way in order to gain access to the heater core itself. Got my 1/4 inch ratchet with a little extension and my 8mm. I'm going to go ahead and start removing them. Now when removing these bolts, there's no particular method you need to use for taking them out. However, when you install something like this, there is a method. There's one right there. I'm going to take and put them in the magnetic tray. There's the second one. 2 down and 3 to go. Got one way back in here. Right there. I have 1 bolt left to deal with, and because of the tight fit here, I'm going to take and use a wrench. I can slip it on there and undo it. Alright, and there's the last bolt there. I'm going to take and flip my cover up and out of the way. Just like so. That is the proper service procedure for removing your heater core cover plate.